Hello, this is Graham. I've just noticed with my Canon 17-55mm f2.8 image stabilised lens that if I leave the image stabilisation turned on but mount the camera on a tripod, the image stabilisation circuit is still quite active in trying to stabilise an image that shouldn't be moving. It's that noisy that the internal microphone of the camera can pick up that sound. I'm recording this scene using the kit lens, the 18-55mm image stabilised lens. I'll leave a few seconds without audio so we can hear whether this lens exhibits the same problem. I'm now going to switch over to the 17-55mm image stabilised lens so we can see the effect. So this is the 17-55mm f2.8 image stabilised lens. And as before, I'll leave a couple of seconds without audio so we can hear the image stabilisation trying to take place. I'll turn off the image stabilisation so we can hear the reduction in noise. This is the 17-55mm f2.8 image stabilised lens with the image stabilisation turned off. This is the Sigma 18-250mm f3.5 image stabilised lens, and I've left the image stabilisation circuit on so we can hear whether the Sigma lens exhibits the same problem. I'll now turn the image stabilisation circuit off. So this is the Sigma 18-250mm f3.5 image stabilised lens with the image stabiliser turned off. Okay, I think you could hear in those tests that the 17-55mm f2.8 lens shows the phenomena of the image stabilisation trying to take place, even though there's no camera movement. If anyone else has the f2.8 17-55mm lens, if you could verify for me whether the lens exhibits this problem when the camera is mounted on a tripod, then I'd be interested to know. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and as usual, please comment, rate, and hopefully you will subscribe to this channel. Graham saying bye for now.